Today we start our first formal drum lesson. Let's focus on hand grip and posture. And how to get to know the drum set. Okay? First, once you sit down, your feet go on the two pedals. Right? Left foot on the left pedal, right foot on the right pedal. Just place them there and don't move. Okay. Once they're in place, we can ignore the left foot for now. Let's focus on the right foot first. There's a big drum under your right foot? Yes. There's a pedal in front of it with a beater. Right? We use that beater to strike the drum. Make it sound. Use the ball of your foot. Yeah, okay. If the sound is not loud enough, imagine there's water on the ground. You step on it, yes, and the sound comes out. The tone comes out. Now follow my beat. I'll count to 4. Let's go. 1. 3. Yes. Good, again. 1. 3. Yes, right. That's how your foot moves. Just leave the left foot for now. Now let's look at your hands. How should you hold the drumsticks? First, find the 1/3 mark, or each stick has a label like 5A. Check the 5A mark, find the 1/3 point. About that area works. Okay, then hold the stick with thumb and index finger. Same for the right hand. The other 3 fingers gently curl around it. Yes, grip it. Left hand, grip it. Once you have it, place it on the snare. Back of the hand facing up. Make sure the back of the hand is up. Yes, the stick angle should be slightly less than 90. Yes, this angle is great. Okay, when you play, lift your hand naturally. Use your wrist for power. Okay, lift it first. Lift a bit higher. Yes, now strike down. Yes, yes, again. 1. 3. Yes. 1. 3. Yes. Okay. Left hand, 1. 3. Yes. 1. 3. 4. Left hand, 1. 3, 4. Good. Let's do step 1. Alternate hands exercise. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, 1 set. Oh. Very good. This is how to use your hands. Second, let's learn the drum set. See, the drum set has 2 parts. 1. Drums of different sizes. Second, some metal pieces like these, some round ones, like gongs. Let's count how many drums. 5, right? Yes, the first one in front of you is the snare drum. It has a crisp sound. Yes, try hitting it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now this one on top. Hit it. Different sound, right? This is our first tom. Hit the first tom. Yes. Okay, next, hit the second tom. Yes, then hit the third tom. Okay, the bottom drum is the bass drum. Try hitting it. Yes, every drum sounds different, right? Right? That's right. Okay, these are 5 drums. And then, the metal ones are cymbals. Count how many. 4, count them. 1 is here, good. This is the hi-hat. Hit the hi-hat. Yes, it makes a chick sound. Hit it. Good. Now the second cymbal. Yes, watch your stick and body posture. Hit the edge like this. Yes, a bit slower. Go, hit the cymbal again. Good. Then step 3. This cymbal. Yes, this is also a cymbal. Second cymbal. Hit it. Okay, the 4th cymbal. This biggest ride cymbal. Use the stick tip to hit the ride cymbal. Gently hit it. It makes a ding-ding sound when you hit it. Right. Okay, so So this is the drum set composition. Got it? Got it.